Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making same-day fried rice. And the first thing we're going to put in here is a little oil. This is peanut oil. It's a flat pot. You can hear that it works. I'm going to add onion. I'm going to add, I wish you could smell this, one smells so good. I'm going to add a little bit of, this is ginger, and I like it because I don't have to have a thing of ginger in my refrigerator. I don't have to do anything, grate it or anything else like that. It just comes out like toothpaste. Very nice. And we're going to do this. I have 2 eggs. Like that, a little bit to them. Okay. And we're going to stick them right in here. And this is the real test. See what these eggs do. If they stick terribly, then we have a problem. But look, they're not. Fantastic. I'm going to add some green peas. 2 frozen peas. That's okay. Frozen peas are fine. They're easy to deal with. And now this is the rice. Break it apart. There's some more even as it comes out of the package. And there we go. Out of the package now. Here it's already making noise. That's good. Soy sauce. For color and flavor. Some sesame oil for flavor. Just a little bit. A little dab will do ya. Together, and there we have same day fried rice. I have some other, and there you have our beautiful same day fried rice. I'm going to have a little bite of it. Look at it, so nice and fluffy, wonderful. And we'll see you next time on The Good Plate.